Hi, my name is Egon Trujillo, and this is my video assignment on data management tools tutorial. So today what I wanted to do is give a brief video tutorial on two learning management systems that I found, one of them being currently used at my school site, and one of them that I found that is very easy to use that I'd like to talk about, and that one is Google Classroom. So I'll start first with Google Classroom and give you a brief overview of some of the nice features about it. So it's very easy to use. And because it is a Google app, it does integrate with other Google platforms. So if you click on Classwork here, for example, you see it says Class Drive folder. So if I wanted to assign something to my class, I can simply access my Google Drive. And by simply dragging and dropping files in here, I can send them an assignment, a PowerPoint, etc. And the nice feature about that is that it does sync with my Google Calendar. So as long as I have a Google or Gmail account, along with the students as well, they see everything currently updated to their calendar, which is nice. It is very easy to communicate also on the Google Classroom with teachers, parents, so I can add a co-teacher here, for example. I can add some students on here as long as I have their Gmail. And so it makes communication very, very easy. The other nice feature about it is it has this stream feature, which essentially is like a updates page, so I can let students know quiz tomorrow, for example. I can attach the quiz here, I can pull it from my Google Drive folder, or I can even send them a nice little YouTube video clip here. So I can hit post there, and you can see how easy it is for me to communicate with my class. So that's Google Classroom. It is free, like I said, and any teacher can create a virtual classroom online and basically collect data that they can use. The LMS that my school uses, though, LA Unified School District uses, is Schoology. And Schoology is a similar LMS system, but I think it has a lot of advantages over Google Classroom personally. You can see it's very easy to use. It's very customizable. It is interactive. It has this nice updates page, similar to the Google status feed there, where I can just type assignments, same thing. I can upload links, pages to them. I can send them audio recordings about assignments. You see it has this nice little calendar for them as well. It's very easy to share on this as well as in my materials folder. So I created lots of folders here where I send students assignments, notes, etc., things like that. You can communicate with students very easily, but not as easily as Google Classroom, unfortunately. But what's really nice about this is if you click on Gradebook, you can actually embed standards to all of your assignments. So as a teacher, as I'm collecting data, I can assign rubrics here. When I'm creating assignments, I can get actual standards embedded into these assignments. So if I go to materials here, when I create a new assignment, for example, assignments, add assignment, and let's say I want to title this assignment quiz, just as a sample in one of my classrooms, so quiz. I can individually assign things, but what's really nice is I can assign Common Core or Next Generation standards to every single assignment, which is amazing. The other thing that I like about this is that it gives me data under this Analytics tab, and this is invaluable for teachers. So, for example, if I click on discussion, an assignment that I recently did with some of my students, I can click on this assignment and it tells me the day that students did this, and it also gives me data. It tells me how many students posted to this assignment and how often. So of these two, I find this LMS, the Schoology LMS, much more useful for teachers. It is free, as I previously stated, but there is a contract that school districts must purchase. But they're both amazing LMS systems. I recommend both to teachers, and they both have their pros and cons. So hopefully this tutorial on these two LMSs was useful. And thank you very much. Thanks for your time.